Good morning. This is going to be a very brief tutorial on how to sign into your Epic account. In each of the units this year, you're going to be using Epic either as a reference to different books, or if you want to extend your learning and learn a little bit more about whatever topic that we're discussing, and those will be located within the units. But first of all, to log in, you're going to go to getepic.com, and I will also have the link readily available for you. You're going to click the sign in button once you get there, and then you're going to go to the portion that says, "Are you a student?" and enter your class code. You're going to click on that. Our class code this year is going to be YUW7639. Once you type that in, and make sure you type it in just as you see it, so no capital letters, you're going to click Go. Once it loads, it should be titled Mr. Demers class, but then you're going to look for your name. So for example, if you are Libby class, you would select the button here, and when you click on it, it's going to take you into your account. Your account is amazing because not only are you going to be able to use whatever books that I selected, so in some instances there are books that I want you to read certain parts of or certain pages of. Generally speaking, I'm not going to have you read a whole book, except for in literacy. There are a couple times that I would like you to read a whole book and we'll discuss them. But you can also search for things that you're interested in. So there's adventures, arts and crafts, fantasy, funny stories, there's mysteries, science, spooky, and sports. All these different things. Or if you're interested in cats, you can type in the word cats, and it's going to give you all these different books about different types of cats. There are also going to be videos, and there are also going to be books that can read to you. So if you don't feel comfortable reading, or if you need a break from reading on your own and you'd like something or someone to read to you, you can choose the audiobooks or read to me. Also, you can find collections. So these are going to be great when you're researching for different projects, especially when we're learning about animals or different countries or different concepts, especially in social studies and science. Lastly, if you go to the My Library, and I'll let it load here, you can create your own library. So if you are really interested in a book, you can actually save it to your library and access it at a later time. When you are on the main page, the last big thing that I want you to look at, these are going to be things that are suggested for you, but there's also going to be an area that is going to be called collections. And I'm just scrolling through here so that you can see these. There you go, as you see. And I'm going to let it load here. Sorry, it's taking a moment. These are great collections that are going to show you different books that are located within different collections that teachers have already created for you. So as you can see, they're going to be categorized in different ways. Now, again, I'm just scrolling through so that you can see some of these awesome collections. These are great ways to find different things that you're interested in. I hope this helped you, and if you have any questions, please let me know.